What's up, everyone? So I want to show you guys how to create a free market evaluation landing page. This is actually what it looks like. It's pretty simple. It's just using all the widgets that are there. There's really no added text or anything like that. So this is great if you want to do an ad on giving out free comparative market analyses, and you can do that by going to consumer. You're going to click create a new site, and we'll do it as a standalone page. You don't want this on your actual site. Actually, you might. That might be a good idea. However, I would wait until a few things are worked out, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so you're going to add title, and the first thing that we're going to do is add the branded header right here on the right-hand sidebar. You can drag that over onto the sheet here. So now you see that this popped up, and we'll move on to the next. So the next one will be the lead form. This is how we'll collect their home address to be able to do the CMA for them. And I just throw in the download my app widget because I don't think it hurts. And it's actually, when they click this, it'll be your personalized downloadable app. So, yeah. You don't have to add that, though, if you don't want to. Then we're going to put the agent branding under it. And you see how when I drag it, I just kind of go downwards. It'll know that you want it to go under. And then legal footer. And if I have to change this, but if your logo doesn't have a background on it, it'll look a lot nicer. As you can see here, it has a white box around it. I keep forgetting to do it. Okay, so go to configure widgets now, and we're going to start with the branded header. I'm just going to put free home evaluation. You have to put something here, or else it won't let you publish it. All right, and so this is what we definitely need to change. So I don't know if we're going to add this to our agent site yet, only because it would be nice if we were able to edit these fields. I can't figure out how to do it. I don't know if it's possible. Let me know if I'm wrong, and if it is possible, that would be great. But we're going to have to tell them to put their address in the leave a note section. So I'm hoping they come up with some type of widget that's specifically to create a CMA or requesting to create one. All right, so I'm going to put enter current home address in leave a note section to receive a free home evaluation. Or maybe you could put like a free comparative market analysis home evaluation to see what your home is worth, whatever you want to put. So that way they know to come in here and put this here. So one other thing to keep in mind is if you're using this alongside an ad, you will receive their contact information before they ever get to the landing page. That being said, if they submit their contact information and then get to the landing page and they decide not to submit it again and include their current address, I think it's still worth leaving the lead gen form on there just so that you can then reach out to them and ask if they would like one or send them one or ask for their address. Of course, you'd need that first. So, yeah. Now we're going to hit save and apply. All right. And then if you're on a team like I am, we're going to have to do this more manually. We're going to wait until, let's say, the night of and see which addresses we got and send those out. And then the ones that we didn't get addresses for, we'll send it from the leads that came in from the ad rather than the landing page. All right, this should all be accurate. Just make sure. If you want to add anything, you can. I think I added something like some of the features I liked, like collaborate with your family and find hidden listings, search custom area, and more. So if you want to add something, you can. Next, just make sure all of your information is right, hit save and apply, and then you can publish the page. Yes. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and ask. We are running an ad test for this free market evaluation, and we will be using this land page. If you want to get a head start and create the land page ahead of time, this was kind of a slower walkthrough, whereas the one in the ad test video is a little bit faster. So if you have a tough time creating landing pages, I would get a head start on that. That way you can be ready to go when the ad test starts. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.